Hey, it's Biddy Penny, and I have 40 cards to share with you. They are from my stash, and I picked a theme of flowers and hearts. So they're from over the last year or so, mostly. So you'll see what I've got, and I hope it inspires you. This card has pieces from everywhere. It would take too long to name it all. And this is fun because I painted these little bumblebees. I was inspired by some ephemera I had, and I painted a whole bunch of them. And I thought they were just so cute. Tropical thank you. You'll see a lot of embossing. I love to emboss paper. This is kind of fun. This I made with Versamark, and the sentiment and the little strip with perfect pearls. And that was kind of a fun technique. You just brush it on. And I just thought this was so cute. It definitely had some flowers, so it fit in. Oh, this is a duplicate of the first one. Sorry about that. I had made two. This is really fun. This is an old MFT flower die set that I have, and I just love it. I've made like 15 or 20 of these cards. I've almost used them all. I need to make more. And this is a no-line watercoloring. And the terracotta pots is actually from an embossing folder. And I love this one too. So here comes some hearts. Alright, I'm gonna just let the video play, and if there's any of these that you'd like to see a tutorial on, I mean there are 40 cards, so I can't necessarily name them, number them, or whatever, but if you give me a general idea about what card it was and what you want to see, I will make a card tutorial for you. Alright, I hope you enjoy. All right, we're getting to the end of the stack here. We flipped through 40 cards pretty quickly. I'll kind of reverse through this last stack I did for you. I love weaving paper like I did on this card. You'll see a lot of that. I try to frame it differently, or at least make it a little different, but I hope you enjoyed these. Maybe you found something that you like. You can definitely gather from these flip throughs the kind of card maker that I am. So I hope you'll stick around and subscribe and like and follow my tutorials. Have a great day.